then we can be able to find out the relative speed. Otherwise relative speed is 0 and then we can have two different relative speed. So I said that now here it is. What is the distance now left? 1600. The time taken it is, I said that 1600 distance upon relative speed. And what is the 100 plus 60, 160? 10 hours. Yes, and it is after 11 am. Time taken 10 hours is after 11 am. So it will be what? 9 pm in the night. Second thought, what is at what distance from Delhi? At what distance from Delhi? 400. That is an already अमित का देखेंगे हम लोग. या तो गुंटूर से निकाल लो and the rest you can minus. या दिल्ली से निकालो, rest you can minus. Yes or not? 400 and thereafter he took 10 hours. Yes, from there he took 10 hours to meet. Moving with 100 kilometers, so it become 1400. So the Guntur से कितना distance पे? That is from Delhi. And from the Guntur it is, I said that 600 kilometers. Understood it? Comfortable with this question? We are going to see when both are moving in the same direction. Understood it? समझ में आ गया? I can't go for several practice and all. Understood it now? And what is the most important? Yes? Time taken when both are and distance when both are moving. Or in this question also the same. But here it is moving in the same direction. अभी हमने देखा moving towards each other. Opposite direction. Write down the next question. Amit took a train from Delhi at 7 am with a speed of 100 km per hour towards Guntur. At 10 am, जो पीछे से जो स्टार्ट करेगा उसका ट्रेन फास्ट होना चाहिए, स्लो होना चाहिए, तभी तो पकड़ सकता, नहीं तो जिंदगी में कभी नहीं पकड़ सकता. हाँ, वो वही रुका रहे, एक बार अर्थ को राउंड घूम कर आए फिर ओशियन में भी घुसेगा सब जगह. सो आई सेड दैट कहां था? एट 10 am, Ram took another train from Delhi to Guntur and moving with a speed of 160 km per hour. Then find out first at what time they will meet and at what distance from Delhi. At what time they will meet and at what distance from Delhi. Okay. आपको क्या निकालना है? टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस व्हेन distance between them when both are moving. Distance between them when both are, yes or not? Distance between them when both are, at what time both are moving? 10 am to 10 am they started moving both. Yes or not? तो it is a question is कहाँ से start हो रहा है? दिल्ली से? Yes or not? गुंटूर का रोल है ही नहीं यहाँ पर, क्योंकि they will be able to meet each other before गुंटूर. ये गुंटूर पहुंचने के बाद तो सब मिल लेंगे. So I said that Delhi to at 11 am, sorry 7 am, who started moving? Amit. 7 am and 10 am पे अमित कहाँ पहुंच गया? Yes, tell me. 100 into 300 kilometer. Yes or not? What is the distance? So 10 am पे Amit is at 300 kilometer away from Delhi, and 10 am पे Ram is also started moving, and he is moving 100 kilometer per hour, and Ram is moving what I said, that 160 kilometer per hour. Yes. So both are moving 160 मैंने बोला. Understood it? So what is the time? Distance between them? अब इस समय क्या है? What is the distance between them?
300.
And what is the relative speed?
160. 260.
Both are moving in the same direction. Then it will be 60. Both are moving in the same direction. क्योंकि every hour he will catch extra 60 kilometer. तो 60 kilometer extra है तो 5 घंटे में he will be able to catch. Yes or not? So 160 minus 100. So 300 upon 60. That is, I said that 5 hours. Understood? When both are moving in the same direction, the relative speed is subtracted. Understood it? समझ में आ गया? When both are moving, the time when both are moving, and the distance you have to take when both are moving. So distance between them is how much? 300 kilometer. And then 5 hours. कितने बजे के बाद? 10 am के बाद? After? So what will be the time? 3 pm. They will meet at 5 hours after 10 am. 5 hours. Understood? Is it okay? Yes, tell me. ठीक है ना? So at what distance from Delhi? आप दोनों में से कोई ले सकते हो. पहले यदि मैं अमित को लूं, अमित से मेजर करूं तो 300 he has already moved. Yes or not? And after 10 am Amit has moved for 5 hours. Yes or not? So 100 into इसकी स्पीड क्या थी? 100 थी. 5. So it will become 800 kilometer. Yes or not? दोनों के केस में वही आएगा. And if you are taking with the, I said that Ram, तो राम दिल्ली से ही 10 बजे चला था वो, and he moved with H 160, and 5 hours में he is able to catch. So it is what? तो दोनों के केस में it will come out. Understood it? So it had 800 kilometer from. Similarly, it can be like I said that thief and पुलिस वाला. पहले पुलिस वाले ने, चोर ने चोरी करी. द थीफ हैज. मैं बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. मेरा एक फेमस एग्जाम्पल होता है मुकेश अंबानी के घर में चोरी, और उसमें बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी भी ऐड कर देता हूँ कि अभी वो गया, देन थीफ एंटर इनटू द मुकेश अंबानीज हाउस and there is no alarm. When he enter into the house, there is all the क्या बोलते locker is there. When he start opening the locker, after 5 minutes there will be what? Alarm will started. What is it? Giving what is it? Ringing. He 2 minutes में उसने खोल लिया. कोई भी स्टोरी जोड़ देता हूँ. 2 minutes में उसने खोल लिया. 1 minute में he is able to come onto the road. 3 मिनट चला गया. 2 मिनट तक वो दौड़ सकता है ऑन द बाइक, एंड 5 मिनट हो गया तब तक अलार्म इज देयर. इन 1 मिनट एवरीवन कम टू नो अबाउट दैट देयर इज अ थिंग्स हैज बीन स्टॉलन. पुलिस स्टार्टेड चेजिंग हिम. तो उसको 1 और मिनट मिल गया. 3 मिनट तो चोर भाग गया आगे. उसकी स्पीड थी 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. बात क्या थी? 10 मीटर, एंड 3 मिनट में इसका मतलब 180. तो उसके घर से कितनी दूरी पे चला गया वो? 1800 मीटर. Understood? 3 minutes में a police वाला started chasing him, and what is his speed? And then पुलिस वाले की स्पीड तेज होनी चाहिए. Yes or not? तो his speed is 15 meter per second. At what distance from the मुकेश अंबानी's house he will be able to catch at what time? तो वहां पे बहुत सारा कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करता हूं मैं. बच्चे वही सोचने लग जाते हैं, अच्छा 2 मिनट इस पे घुसा, फिर 3 मिनट इधर गया, फिर वहां पे. तो पेसी यूज्ड टू आस्क ए स्टोरी वेयर दैट इट क्रिएट्स एन कंफ्यूजन, बट फाइनली कम्स आउट व्हाट? पहाड़ खोदा चुहिया निकली. ही ट्राइड टू डू लाइक दिस. This is clear. Same way you can do. And then dog is running behind rabbit. Yes, again relative speed is minus. वहां पे कुछ और पर वे में होता है जंप, नंबर ऑफ जंप्स इट इज इन द काउंट. वहां पे लेकर कहता है 3 जंप्स ऑफ रैबिट इज इक्वल टू 2 जंप्स ऑफ डॉग. ऐसे रहता है. तो आप लोग को भी पता है कि मैं कांट डू दैट. ये सारी चीजें नेक्स्ट हम लोग जो करने जा रहे हैं. यस, राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. A person started from Kanyakumari with 200 km per hour. A person started from Kanyakumari. Do not write the question, बस ये देख लो. Clear? ये this question I am giving you for some purpose. And from Kanyakumari to the foothills of the Himalaya is 2800 km. And the width of Himalaya is 400 km. Then find out time taken by the person to cross the Himalayas. A person started from Kanyakumari. A person started from Kanyakumari with a speed of 200 km per hour. And distance from Kanyakumari to the foothills of the Himalaya is 2800 km. And the width of Himalaya is 400 km. Then how much time the person will take to cross the Himalayas? Distance upon speed? How much? Yes, tell me fast. जब करोगे तभी मैं आगे पहुंचूंगा. 16 hours. Clear? And I was expecting the same answer. And that is absolutely wrong. Huh? That's a good question again. That's a good answer. That I was not expecting. ये आंसर मैं नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था. It is 2 hours. I have said to cross the Himalayas. I did not say the cross the India. तो जाने से क्या मतलब है? जैसे मैं एक क्वेश्चन देता हूँ. A train is moving in the 20 meter per second, and he's 20 kilometer away from the. Is 20 kilometer